What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on MKR because this coin is currently testing really important resistance area, and if there will be a breakout and support confirmation, then I think that there can be a pretty good opportunity to open a long position. So if you are interested about the exact setup and about the exact trade that I'm planning to take on this coin, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you if you like my videos and if you like my analysis. I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under a video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. As I said in the intro, the main area that I'm currently watching is this bearish order block on the 12-hour chart. The bearish order block is between levels 1704 and 1526 approximately, and if there will be a breakout and support confirmation, then there can be a pretty good opportunity to open a long position. The main problem with this long scenario is the stop loss, because if you will put the stop loss just under this bearish order block and the last take profit target, you will put above the next bearish order block, which is between levels 2517 and 2372, then the risk reward ratio is only like 4.23, and if you are aiming for like 47% of the net profit, the risk reward ratio 4.23 is not that good. So right now we have two ways how to solve this problem. The first one will be simply reduce the stop loss level to have, let's say, better risk reward ratio, but then you have a higher risk of getting liquidated, because placing the stop loss just under the order block is, in my opinion, pretty good opportunity to have a proper stop loss. So the other possible way is to let's say have higher take profit target. You can see that MKR is one of the coins that, let's say, didn't pump yet. So we didn't see like a big pump here, because from this low to this high we have here currently a pump around like 200%, which is right now like nothing on altcoins. So you can place here higher take profit targets, and in my opinion the next, let's say, interesting resistance area are these previous lows. So if you put the stop loss just under them, you can have here pretty good trade, and this time we have here risk reward ratio around 9.07, which is really good. But keep in mind that this trade should be probably on spot or like with really low leverage, because the estimated stop loss is around 11% of the net market. So if you will use, let's say, 2x 3x like leverage, it's completely okay, but do not use like 20x. And it's also important to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you can, for example, take here, then you can move your stop loss to entry, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. Then definitely take some of the profits under this bearish order block, and then when we, let's say, grab the liquidity above the order block, so you can have here like 2 take profit targets, then some of the profits under this previous low, and then save some back to the last take profit target, which in the end will give you risk reward ratio, let's say, around 6.5 or something like that, which is still pretty good. And I think that if there will be like the breakout and support confirmation, then this like 100% pump can happen really fast. So definitely keep an eye on this coin. But this long-term long trade is not the only scenario that I'm currently watching on this coin. So if there will be a resistance confirmation, then I am watching this bullish order block, which is between levels 1323 and 1252. You can see that this is also like a really important support. So personally, I will probably avoid the entry while we test this order block, but I will just wait for the fake out, then price reversal, and then a support confirmation. Stop loss in that case you need to put under the low that we will create during fake out, because yeah, if there will be actually like breakdown of this bearish order block, then there is pretty high probability that the price is going down, and that's why I want to see here again the support confirmation. So stop loss in that case you can put under the low that we will create during that fake out, and the last take profit targets you can put either above this bearish order block, or you can use the previous, let's say, take profit targets from the previous trade on the 12-hour chart. So yeah, the risk reward ratio with this second trade will be much better, but also the potential risk of, let's say, getting liquidated is higher because we have here lower stop loss. On the other hand, if you want to open here a short trade, there is, in my opinion, only one option, and this option is honestly not that good. But if you want to open here a short trade, you need to wait for that breakout, fake out, and then resistance confirmation under this bearish order block. And because this bearish order block is so big, then there is simply not that good risk reward ratio, because the next important support area is in this bullish order block. And if you will place the last take profit target under this bullish order block, and you will put your stop loss above this bearish order block, then the risk reward ratio is only like 1.45. So you need to probably, let's say, put it on the lower order blocks. But in my opinion, there is simply not that high probability that this coin is actually gonna go reach these lower levels. So in my opinion, the only possible setups that you can take on these coins are the long ones, because right now this honestly, this formation is, in my opinion, looking really bullish. And if there will be that breakout and bullish retest of that bearish order block, then I think that this coin can go potentially to the at least current all-time high in the upcoming bull market, because MKR is, in my opinion, one of the altcoin project that is actually, let's say, having some purpose. But again, the MKR token is just simply token of that exchange lending protocol. But still, in my opinion, this is definitely one of the better altcoin projects. If you want to, let's say, open right now some spot trades, I would personally, again, wait for that breakout and support confirmation on that order block on the 12-hour chart. But in my opinion, this coin will perform in the upcoming bull market pretty well. And as I showed you in this video, we still didn't get the big pump yet. So yeah, if the coin will reach the current all-time high from the current level, it still will be a pump around 300%. And as I said, in my opinion, there is pretty high probability that we will eventually get there. So yeah, that's my main view on this coin. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing the analysis every single day. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. A link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. See ya.